You've managed to drag yourself out of bed. If you had it your way, you'd be back in bed watching Friends on Netflix. But you have to get ready for the day. Thank God for Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer, because you really can look flawless all in one step. You haven't got time to be fussing around with wetting a beauty blender, but at least you can get that flawless finish with Bobbi Brown's full coverage face brush. See? Flawless finish in one step. You could really stop there, but you won't. You know that in order to make the whole eyebrow process quicker, you need to shape the ones that God's already given you. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Lasts all day, looks natural. It is essential to take a moment to mourn your Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact. With help from your trusty NARS Kabuki brush, you can bring that glow, highlighting all the top points of your face. Look at that glow, yes, beautiful, yes, glowing. It's about time to focus on your eyes, so take your Naked 2 palette, using only Half-Baked and Chopper. You start with Half-Baked, and then you work your way out with Chopper. Making your life so easy is the Soap & Glory Super Cat Eyeliner. Girl, you cute. And to finish, use the Cheap and Cheerful NYX Intense Butter Gloss. Tame that bed hair and finish the look. Not bad. You did okay for your first makeup tutorial.